Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredibly useful tool for car owners and mechanics, the FOXWELL NT680 Plus, a professional-level OBD2 diagnostic scanner packed with features you don't usually get at this price point. Let's see what it can really do. The FOXWELL NT680 Plus is an upgraded, advanced multi-system diagnostic scanner. It works on over 70-plus vehicle brands, supports full OBD2 functions, and includes ABS, SRS, engine, transmission, EPB, DPF, TPS, BRT, SAS, and many more service resets. Inside the box, you get the NT680 Plus unit, a durable carrying case, a user manual, the OBD2 cable, and a USB cable for updates. The build feels solid. Nice rubber grips and a clear 4.3-inch color screen. Now let's talk features. And trust me, there's a lot packed into this device. Wide vehicle coverage. Supports 70-plus makes, including American, European, and Asian vehicles. Compatible with many electronic systems. Engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, clutch, EPB, TPMS, and DPF. All systems diagnostics plus service functions. Reads and clears trouble codes, DTCs on many modules, engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, etc. Leave data and logging. Displays live sensor data in both text and graph form for intuitive diagnosis. Can record and play back data logs, live data and freeze frame to help catch intermittent or difficult to reproduce issues. Has one key VIN detection, making it easier and faster to identify the vehicle being diagnosed. Connectivity and updates, built-in Wi-Fi for software updates. This is a big upgrade because you don't need to connect to a PC to update the device. Free lifetime software updates, as long as FOXWELL supports the product. Power and operating conditions, powered directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port, 818V. Operating temperature, 0 degrees C to 60 degrees C. Storage temperature, ease 20 degrees C to 70. Language support. Supports multiple languages. English by default, additional languages unlocked after registration. So that's the FOXWELL NT680 Plus, a feature-packed diagnostic scanner that brings pro-level functions right into your hands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.